Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to adjust the hinge on Logitech MX Ergo mouse. So as you guys see, I already have the mouse on my desk and there's the hinge. As you can see, you can adjust it either by you can do it by lifting your hand to the left. It should automatically adjust to your grip, or right if you wanted more of the right side grip, or you can do it by just taking off the hinge, as you can see, and put it on a different space. You can either go to the left grip or right, like that, and that should be it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.